Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl San Marie. So today's video is going to be about 7 top paying jobs that you can get that are not nursing. So if this video sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. Number 7 is a respiratory therapist. A respiratory therapist, they generally treat respiratory diseases such as asthma or emphysema. Sometimes they will treat other respiratory illnesses, but just for this video, I want to keep it short. I'll just name a few. Generally, these guys will make around $60,000 a year. They only require you to have an associate's degree. There's a 23% rise in employment within the next 5 years. So if this sounds interesting to you, then this job is for you. Okay, so number 6 is a dietitian or nutritionist. So dietitian and nutritionists, they promote healthy eating in order to manage disease processes. There is an expectancy of a 15% rise in employment. For nutritionists, the minimum amount of education that they need is a bachelor's degree. If you're into food and all about health and wellness, then this is for you. So number 5 are MRI or radiologic technicians, or they're sometimes called radiographers. They do services such as like images for doctors, such as MRIs, X-rays. They also assist with helping by reading the images with the doctors. And they make on average about $61,000 a year. And guys, the minimum amount of education you need is an associate's degree, and there is a 13% rise in employment with this field. So number 4 is a dental hygienist. A dental hygienist, they look for signs and symptoms of dental decay or any type of dental diseases. They assist with x-rays for imaging for the dentist. They also help with preventative care so that you can avoid getting cavities and having decay in your teeth. So these guys only have to have an associate's degree. There is a 10% rise in employment within this field. The pay typically ranges from $62,000 a year. Number 3 is a radiation therapist. A radiation therapist administers high doses of radiation to help with treating cancer or any other serious diseases. Average pay for these guys is around $82,000 a year. There is a 15% rise in employment from now until 2026, and the minimum degree you have to have in order to be a radiation therapist is an associate's degree. Number 2 is a physician assistant. Long story short, guys, before I wanted to become a nurse practitioner, I actually wanted to be a physician assistant, also known as a PA. A physician assistant is somewhat similar to a nurse practitioner. They examine, they diagnose, and they treat patients. You will typically see them working in multiple settings. Some work in inpatient settings, which is like a hospital, or outpatient settings, which is a clinic. They typically make around $108,000 a year. They are able to write medical prescriptions. There's a 13% rise in employment from now until 2026 with this, and a minimum degree is a master's degree. So yes, you have to go to school for a little while to become a physician assistant, but these guys do great work and they make a lot of money. So my last and final one, number 1, is a pharmacist. A pharmacist, as most of us know, they help with dispensing medication, and also they provide teaching for contraindications to these medications, and they let us know how to use these medications safely. There's a 6% rise in employment expected within the next 5 years. The minimum amount of education that you need in order to be a pharmacist is a doctoral or professional degree in pharmacy. You then have to take 2 exams in order to be certified. Pharmacists typically make around $126,000 a year, but with this pay, it's an average, so that's not what everyone makes. From the research that I've done, this is the average amount of money that all of these professions make, so it could be different depending on what state you live in. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more videos like this, please put more in the comment section. Guys, I'm so excited and I have so much more to share with you. So My next video will talk about jobs that you can get that pay a lot of money without having a college degree. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel right now, and don't forget to hit that like. Thank you guys so much for joining me on today. Peace.